there are employees, they enter in a room और कोई उनको देखते भी नहीं है, right? But there are some people, when they enter in the room, everyone, they get they give an attention to that person. Is that executive presence?
I have cracked 5 interviews almost.
Okay.
And I have failed.
Many people, they say that my work will speak for itself. Do you agree, Ms.?
Yes, I agree that work should speak, but work also needs microphone sometimes.
Husband and wife में तो बहुत सारे disagreements होते हैं, right? आखिरकार जीतता कौन है? The better speaker or better listener?
Sir, I would like to share here a universal truth.
Okay.
Always.
आप हर क्वेश्चन के आंसर में एक ही ये 2 वर्ड बोल रहे हो, सेल्फ मास्टरी, यही तो हमें चाहिए. ये कैसे करें, ये बताइए.
The basic is a mindfulness.
Practice
mindfulness.
एक इंसान है जो हमेशा आपको हेल्प करेगा, गाइड करेगा. That is yourself. Even Vivekananda ji said, if you have not talked to yourself in a whole day, you have wasted your day. कुछ लोग ये सेल्फ मास्टरी लोगों को पागल सोचते हैं. If you are given an option to speak like Hitler, you know Hitler, right? So do you really want to talk like a Hitler, or you want to speak like Krishna? You know, when Hitler used to speak or enter, his office or his platform, the other people used to be scared of. Hitler had the power. But when Krishna used to appear in his kingdom and in his office, you can say, in that particular time, every person used to love his presence. That is called executive presence. If you are working right now, you're working in an office, do you have that executive presence? We'll talk about today. Hello everyone, welcome to the Subhash Karthik Show. I'm Subhash Karthik. As you know, in this podcast, we talk about communication skill, we talk about personality development, we talk about transformation, we talk about executive presence. And today, we have a guest. She actually knows how to create that executive presence. जी हाँ, अगर आप चाहते हो कि जब आप एक ऑफिस में जाओ, तो लोग आपको देखें और लोग आपको देखना चाहे. That is very important. So आज हमारे साथ हैं हमारे गेस्ट, जिन्होंने 10,000 से भी ज्यादा कॉर्पोरेट एम्प्लॉइज को उन्होंने ट्रेन किया है. Yes, she has trained more than 10,000 executives to have an executive presence. एक soulful leader बनाया है उन्होंने. So आज हमारे साथ हैं हमारे गेस्ट, Mrs. Sakshi Mahajan. Welcome, Sakshi.
Thank you so much, sir, for such a warm welcome, and I'm privileged to have a part of this conversation.
Okay, so Sakshi, सबसे पहली बात, आप जो करते हो, whatever you do, why you do that? आप क्यों करते हो?
Because I want to help others.
Okay.
I want to elevate their lifestyle, their mindset.
Okay.
And I want them to lead their life like a leader. Leader should not lead in the office only. He should be a good leader at home as well, in the society as well. So with this broad intention, I'm working towards it.
That's amazing. So चलिए, ये जो word है ना, executive presence, मुझे जानना है, असल में हमारे viewers को भी जाननी है कि what is executive presence?
Executive presence is all about the presence of your whole being.
Whole?
Being.
Being.
Yes.
Okay.
Executive presence means when people trust your judgment.
Okay.
Listen to your ideas. Feel comfortable, confident under your leadership. That means you are demonstrating executive presence.
But I have seen many people, they are not happy with their boss, they are not happy with their leaders. So do you want to say that it is not common?
This is a common issue.
No, but this is executive presence. It should be there, right?
Yes, everybody should learn in today's scenario. In a corporate world, everybody should learn and know about executive presence.
But do you think that it is actually happening in the real scenario?
No. As per my personal experiences, as I deal with the participants, many customers, no, they are not.
Why? What is the reason?
Because people don't want to come out from the authority.
Come out from their authority.
Authority or control. They want to control the team.
Oh, acha. You want to say
Yeah.
कि they want to control the team.
Yes. They want to get all the credit by themselves that yes, I'm doing best in the office. I should get the credibility. But no, today's scenario is not like that.
बट अगर उनके पास एक अच्छा डेजिग्नेशन है, अगर वो लीडर है, तो वो तो डोमिनेट करेंगे ही, राइट? दे विल डोमिनेट.
Yeah, but if we think from a broader sense, in a corporate world or in any organization, we should not work towards ourselves only.
Okay.
We should think about the others and the whole organization. If team will grow, leader will automatically grow. And if leader and team will grow together, whole organization will grow. So this should be the approach. Executive presence is very much necessary in each and every corner of the corporate world.
सो मैंने देखा है, आई हैव सीन देयर आर एम्प्लॉइज, दे एंटर इन अ रूम और कोई उनको देखते भी नहीं है, राइट? बट देयर आर सम पीपल व्हेन दे एंटर इन द रूम, एवरीवन दे गेट एन, यू नो, दे गिव एन अटेंशन टू दैट पर्सन. इज दैट एग्जीक्यूटिव प्रेजेंस?
I would like to answer this question with my personal experience. In my lifespan, I have cracked 5 interviews almost.
Okay, okay.
And I have failed no one.
You have failed no one.
No one.
Okay, wow.
I got
मेरा उल्टा है, मेरा उल्टा है. I've interviewed 5 times and I failed 5 times.
But what the truth is, because in the first 2 interviews, I was not so much experienced. So obviously, I was not able to answer each and every question. First job I got on the basis of my posture.
Your posture.
Yes, I was there in that room for 35 minutes to 40 minutes and I kept my back straight.
Okay.
And the interviewer instructed me to wake up 2 to 3 times. Maybe he was observing me, how she will act afterwards. But I was sitting the same. And he said that you have a good determination. You are strong enough that you have not changed your posture. So I'm going.
Yeah, I'm telling you, it's a very good example you have said. Many people, when they get a very comfortable seat, sometimes they might sit like this also, or, you know, they try to lean somewhere. They want a support.
Yes.
So you want to say that when I'm in the office, I'm in a workstation, I should always be ready. And your posture talks about your readiness also.
Yes. If I'll decode this body language right
Okay.
now, when a person is sitting like this, then he loves to be in his comfort zone.
Okay.
But if person, you are looking towards a person and he looks alert and attentive, he's ready to face any difficulty. And he will get good results because of his determination and hard work. So this is the decode.
So that's a readiness that your posture should show that readiness, right?
Yes. Readiness plus alertness.
Alertness.
So very much necessary.
So can executive presence be learned?
Yes, of course, because executive presence is not a trait. It's a skill. It can be learned and developed like a technical skill. So a person should focus in executive presence. During learning executive presence, a person should have focus on how he speaks.
How he speaks.
The effective communication first.
Okay.
Second, how he's appearing. All about his dress up, the confidence he's carrying, the way he's dealing with the people, the way he is delivering his message, everything it covers, your communication skill. Third one is your self-mastery.
Self-mastery.
Mastery, yes. You should have a control over your thoughts, your beliefs, your values, and align that with your work.
That's amazing. Sakshi ma'am, what mistakes silently destroy executive presence? What mistakes the employees are doing? What do you think?
Always think before speaking.
Always think before speaking.
Speaking, yes. And don't react emotionally. Prioritize your work and be calm.
Be
These
calm.
things, yes, when these things someone will follow,
So I really want you to repeat again what destroy our executive presence again from the beginning.
People don't think before speak.
People, they don't think.
Think
Okay.
before speaking. They don't work upon their communication skill. Communication skill doesn't mean you're thinking and speaking. Communication skill means when, how, and what you have to speak. This should be in alignment. You should aware of that.
So do you think people are not aware of this?
Yeah, they don't think. In today's world, noise is everywhere. So nobody is thinking deeply.
But हमें तो लगता है कि when we speak, we actually think and speak.
Yeah, you feel, but impact will show.
Impact will show.
Yes. So you are thinking and speaking, or you're just speaking. The
So who is
impact-
going to tell us that am I actually speaking and creating executive presence or not? Who is going to help us on this journey?
So truly, the results will show you.
Result means what result? What kind of positive result I can see if I'm showing my executive presence?
Sir, as per my belief, there is no positivity and negativity in executive presence. There is only growth mindset. Growth mindset.
Growth mindset.
Yes.
Okay.
And growth mindset comes from self-awareness plus self-acceptance. But people are taking self-acceptance only. Self-acceptance can become your comfort zone. You can make excuses like मैं तो ऐसा ही हूँ, अब मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता. Am I right? So there should be self-acceptance plus self-authority.
Okay.
हाँ, मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता, लेकिन इसके जो मुझे कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस देखने पड़ रहे हैं या मेरी वजह से दूसरों को देखने पड़ रहे हैं, आई एम अकाउंटेबल फॉर दैट. It will push you towards growth mindset. So
Okay.
self-acceptance only doesn't work. Self-acceptance plus self-authority.
Authority.
Yes. And automatically you will get to know about yourself. Self-awareness will come automatically.
Okay.
And growth mindset.
Suppose two employees with the same competence, one has visibility and one doesn't. Who gets promoted faster?
In most of the organization, the one who has the visibility.
Visibility.
Yes. Because capability is necessary, but visibility is also essential.
So I'm in the corporate to do the job, right? Why I go to my boss and tell my boss that I'm doing this? मतलब क्या ये जरूरी है कि मैं जो काम कर रहा हूँ उसको जाके ढिंडोरा बजाओ कि मैं काम कर रहा हूँ, मैं काम कर रहा हूँ?
Yes, so again, this is a skill, sir. This executive presence, when you are showing your visibility, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप self promotion कर रहे हो. No, you should discuss about your contribution.
अच्छा, I should share my contribution.
Yes, your
Okay.
insights. You should share your insights.
Okay, insight मतलब अगर if I feel I can actually my views, my ideas can help someone or the organization,
Yes.
I should go to my boss and I should tell my boss that this is my thought and I wanted to share with you. Is that visibility?
To some extent, but I suggest mostly wait for the time.
Okay.
Don't rush.
Okay.
Because sometimes ideas coming in our mind, but it should be practical. It should be result oriented. So first think over it, then approach your boss or otherwise in a meeting or you will get a chance to.
But I have to get connected to my leader.
Yes,
That is important.
yes, that is important.
But लोग तो बोलते हैं I don't like my leader, I don't like my boss. उनका क्या करें?
Yeah, so actually it has happened with my participant. He was very disturbed. He told me, ma'am, can I talk to you personally? Okay, yes, why not? He said कि मैम मेरे बॉस जो है ना वो बहुत बायस है.
Okay.
He said कि मेरे जो colleagues हैं मेरे same rank के, they are getting 5% target, sales target, and I'm getting 8% sales target.
Yeah,
He
true.
was stressful, was speaking some bad things about him. I was listening calmly. Then I told him, see, you don't know about your capabilities. Your boss knows about your capabilities. नहीं मैम ऐसा नहीं है. मैं कहा do one thing, don't take pressure. Don't take pressure about the sales. I gave him some practices, do these practices and put efforts that much you can do. Don't take stress. he did the same. And after 20 days, I asked him, what is, how much you have achieved? 6.5, without putting any extra efforts. Okay, see your capability. He knows if he will restrict you for 5%, he is in a loss. Now see your capability. Now you should approach your boss and talk to him. And the very next day, he's texting me. In the morning, I'm getting notification. What is this at 6 o'clock? When I saw he has sent his promotion letter, his photographs, certificates, lots of things, and he becomes a regional head of sales head.
Wow,
See.
that's amazing.
So self-awareness is necessary, and you should have a mentor.
You should have a mentor.
Mentor, yes.
My God.
Mentor is a vital.
You know, every guest talks about the same line again and again, again and again. You should have a mentor. So, many people, they say that my work will speak for itself. Do you agree, Ms.? My work will speak. मुझे क्यों बताना है लोगों को कि मैं कितना काम कर रहा हूँ? आपको, what do you think that, what is right?
Yes, I agree that work should speak, but work also needs a microphone sometimes.
Yeah, actually.
Because result shows capability, but visibility brings opportunities. And ideal professionals blend the both.
Okay, fine. So, ma'am, how to be visible? ये बार बार हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं. हमें काम करना है, हमें visible होना है. काम करना है, visible होना है. तो visible कैसे हो? मतलब how can I make my work and me visible to my senior?
So I'll take an example from our ancient wisdom, Indian ancient wisdom.
Oh my God. Okay.
Everybody knows Krishna.
Krishna. Yes.
Everybody knows Krishna.
Yes.
क्या कोई 12 अवतार को जानता है? नहीं.
सारे नहीं जानते हैं शायद.
कृष्णा ने वर्ल्ड की बेटरमेंट के लिए काम किया. 12 अवतार ने पृथ्वी को ही बचाया था. तो कोई उनको जानता है? नहीं. Because he has never talked about his work. But Krishna has given us a Gita, sacred book, which is still helping us. And in future, it will also help.
True.
So, visibility is necessary. How you are making yourself visible, it depends. It is also a skill. Because अपनी praise करना, अपना promotion करना, yes, I can understand it's not good ethically. But अपनी capabilities को करके दिखाना और फिर उसको mention करना, it's a need of the time for your growth.
Actually, even I want to add here, ma'am, that if I were an employee, what I think about visible is I should go to my boss and I should tell my boss that, boss, why I'm here in this organization, what I can do in this organization, what are my skills and what I'm going to do. I'll give my 100%. I have my target. I'm focused on that. So actually, I'm telling my boss that I'm owning my responsibilities. So actually, I'm being vocal to what I want to do. So boss will also understand that कि मैंने इसको सिर्फ टारगेट नहीं दिया, उसने भी टारगेट लिया है and he's serious about it. Is it also visibility, right, ma'am?
Not fully, not fully.
What else?
Personally, आप उनको approach कर रहे हो तो visibility तो सिर्फ boss तक ही रह गई. You should be visible throughout the office.
हाँ नहीं, I get your point. नहीं, मैं भी सिर्फ बॉस के बारे में बोल रहा हूँ कि बॉस शुड नो दैट हाँ सुभाष है. ऑफ कोर्स ये एक पार्ट है, बट आई शुड बी प्रेजेंट फॉर एवरीवन. Every employee should understand who am I.
Yes, because leadership, what is a leadership? Leader influence and inspires. When you're crossing that you are inspiring and influencing people, then your work will speak, no doubt. But
Actually.
when at that time you will give words to your actions in front of your leader or in front of the whole office, it will be effective at that time. But all alone you're going to the boss and speaking whatever you want to. So I don't think so it will work in a better way.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. चलिए, एक टर्म है that is called mindful conversation. What is mindful conversation?
Mindful conversation means to be present wholly in the conversation.
Wholly in the conversation. मतलब अभी आप अगर यहाँ पे हो, we are conversing, so we are focusing on this only.
Yes.
We are not focusing on anything.
Yes, you are not getting disturbed. There's
Okay.
no distraction.
Okay.
Okay, that is mindful conversation. Means ki you're not listening only. Your brain is processing, understanding, thinking, analyzing, all these processes going on.
So is it important in the organization?
Yes, very much important.
How and when?
So I'll give you an example, mine example. Long back when I was in a college, I was taking personality development classes.
Okay.
Like एक टशन था तब, तो मैंने कहा मैं भी कर लेती हूँ. Group discussions, I was the hero of a group discussion.
Wow.
Can you guess why?
Why?
Because I was the loudest in the class.
Loudest in the class?
No. I was the quietest person in the class.
Okay.
But what was my strength? Whenever I speak, the discussion gets stopped.
Why?
Because I listen carefully, then give my thoughts, then analyze, then join the points, then speak. If I speak at the second chance, even then the discussion gets stopped.
Okay.
So जो थोड़े से आलसी थे मुझे बोलते थे यार पहले ही बोल लिया कर. और जो थोड़े से enthusiastic थे वो बोलते थे हमारी भी टर्न आने दिया कर. So this is the thing. This is mindful conversation.
But I should be observing everything, who is speaking, who is not speaking, what is being said, everything,
Yes, and analyze.
and analyze.
Analyze. Self-analysis is very much necessary.
Okay, so when people listen, are they really listening? और मतलब जब हम लोग conversation में किसी को listen करते हैं या किसी training program में जाके जब हम किसी को listen करते हैं, are we really listening or we wait for our turn?
Sir, everybody wants to speak. क्योंकि इतना गाना सुनते हैं, इतना वो एयरपॉड्स लगा के रखते हैं कि उनको बोलना है. Joke apart, most of the people, they listen just to answer. Person is sharing something with his friend or her friend, and that friend is preparing the answer.
Okay.
As she
कि
stops,
मुझे कैसे answer करना है
as she stops, she start giving suggestions and all that. Even sometimes it's not needed. The other person wants somebody to listen,
Actually.
make him feel valued, loved. But when you speak, maybe next time he will not share
तो
with
ऐसा हो सकता है कि हम लोग listening को थोड़ा underestimate करते हैं. मतलब are we doing it?
you. Yes, definitely. क्योंकि सर बिल्डिंग कितनी बड़ी हो, बेस स्ट्रांग नहीं हो ना, तो उसका तो
तो
words ही
base
नहीं.
मतलब आप listening को base बोल रहे हैं?
Yes, listening gives the power to your speaking skill, your communication skill. There's also one word, but I'll speak about that later.
Okay.
There's a science, as I believe. There's a whole science behind everything in our culture.
सुनना है.
सुनना है, बहुत ज़रूरी है. सुनना नहीं है सिर्फ, उसको प्रोसेस भी करना, उसको ऊपर लेके जाना, नीचे लिप्स पास नहीं लेके आना है.
ओह अच्छा,
पर उसको-
प्रोसेसिंग करना है, यहाँ नहीं लाना है.
यहाँ नहीं लाना है.
ओके. अच्छा एक बात बताइए, हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ में तो बहुत सारे डिसएग्रीमेंट्स होते हैं, राइट? आखिरकार जीतता कौन है, द बेटर स्पीकर और बेटर लिसनर?
Sir, I would like to share here a universal truth.
ओके.
Always wife. If she is a good speaker, she will win. If she is a good listener, she will win. She will win because at the end you have to go home and I have to maintain my authority.
Oh my God. So, can one careless sentence destroy years of trust?
Definitely. Because sometimes to build a trust takes years. But one careless sentence from egoistic behavior or any insensitivity can impact.
तो ये जो
badly.
केयरलेस सेंटेंस मुंह से निकलता है, हमने बहुत सारे ऐसे एग्जांपल्स हमारे रियल लाइफ में भी देखे हैं. वी हैव सीन लॉट ऑफ इंस्टेंसेस जहाँ पे पीपल दे स्पीक पब्लिकली समथिंग और बाद में उसी बोली के वजह से दे हैव एक्चुअली फेस्ड अ बिग प्रॉब्लम्स. सो क्यों करते हैं, मतलब व्हाई डू दे नॉट थिंक एंड देन स्पीक? व्हाई?
Because everybody should have a control over their emotion. They should know and learn about emotional intelligence.
Emotional intelligence.
See, whatever beliefs you are, whatever values you have, how I will come to know? Through your speech.
Absolutely.
Through your speech, I'll come to know. So this is a bond between, this is a bridge between you and the world.
तो
और
सुनना
उसको कैरी कौन कर रहा है? जो ब्रिज है उसको कौन पावर कर रहा है या कैरी कर रहा है? योर इमोशंस. योर इमोशंस. और इमोशंस में बहुत अप डाउन आता है. देयर इज ऑल्सो साइंस बिहाइंड दिस. बहुत अप डाउन आता है. क्यों? क्योंकि चेंज इज अ लाइफ एंड चेंज इज अ यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ. अगर आपका इमोशंस पर कंट्रोल नहीं है, चेंज तो हर मोमेंट में आएगा और आपका इमोशन भी जो है वो फ्लिकर करेगा, फ्लक्चुएट करेगा and it will impact your communication.
So how to manage my emotion?
Okay, I'll give you one example. I usually this in my
I said, do you manage your own emotion?
yes, most of the time. Sometimes I have a pressure, maybe work pressure or whatever pressure I have, and my kids are coming to me, mama, 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 like that, and I used to say, see, I'm not in a position to entertain you right now. I'll come to you after 5 words, and they understand. They know this quality of mine. So when I get settled, then I go to them like a lovable mom instead of a shouting and yelling mom. So yes.
But क्या होता है ना, when actually any difficult situation comes, it's very difficult to manage your emotion.
Yeah. So I'll also like to give you one example, which I generally make practice my participant in the sessions. I give them a condition. Like a husband is going to the office and he's getting late. He's an ambitious person, he's getting late. And he's accumulating all his things, and wife is observing, and she has a concern like he is not taking his breakfast. And when he will approach office, and he will get engaged in the meetings and all that. He comes with the breakfast and honey, please have a breakfast, you have not done. Can't you see I'm getting late? You useless lady. Every time you come with a flight, I don't want to, you just get back, go back. Can you imagine what happened? सबको पता है, सब गुजरते हैं इससे. बस कुछ कम गुजरते हैं, कुछ ज़्यादा गुजरते हैं. So that wife will be disturbed throughout the day because she is free at home. Husband will get less chance to think about it, but even he will think about it कि मैं उसको face कैसे करूँगा, कहीं झगड़ा तो ना हो जाए, कहीं वो नाराज ना हो गई हो, like this. So what generally people should do, they should not focus upon that thing जो change हो जाता है. Situation change होती है, but emotions इतनी जल्दी change नहीं होते हैं. जब ऐसा situation आ रहा है, तो you should not focus on the situation that you are getting late. कल से आप late नहीं होंगे. Maybe आप 3 महीने late ना हो, but आपकी wife का जो concern है breakfast को लेके, तो हमेशा रहेगा. So at the time you need training. You know, I don't have to focus here. I have to focus to her. She is the most important person of my life. Her concerns make her important person.
Okay.
So this is the thing.
Okay, so we have to manage our emotion.
Yeah.
Very nicely. Any framework you have? आपके पास ऐसा कोई framework है जिसको हम किसी भी difficult conversation को handle करने में help करे? Is there any framework? Any
Yes.
difficult conversation हो रही है वहाँ पे आप अपने को कैसे handle करोगे?
Yes, that is a lead.
Lead.
Yes.
L-E-A-D, lead.
Yes. L stands for lead with intention.
Okay, lead with intention.
E stands for establish a psychological safety.
Psychological safety.
Yes.
Okay.
A stands for address the reality.
Address the reality.
D stands for discover with listening.
Discover with listening. एक point को थोड़ा सा आप अगर explain करें तो.
Lead with intention means कि whenever you are leading somebody, lead with purpose. ठीक है? Then E stand for everybody should feel emotionally safe with you or under your guidance.
चाहे वो घर पे हो या
बाहर हो. लीडर सर वही है जो घर पे भी लीड करता है हैप्पीली और बाहर भी करता है. लीडर वही है.
True. And then A for?
A is for address the reality. Don't go with the facts and don't go with the facts and judgment. नहीं. जो रियलिटी है आप उसको जब सुन के प्रोसेस करोगे, फिर जब पॉइंट्स को ज्वाइन करोगे तो रियलिटी अपने आप सामने आ जाती. Then discover with listening. Listening is the power.
True. That's very good.
That's the thing.
Okay. अब जो क्वेश्चन मैं करने वाला हूँ वो दैट इज रिलेटेड टू इमोशन ओनली. ये मैंने देखा है देयर आर मेनी एम्प्लॉयज, दे आर वेरी हाईली सक्सेसफुल इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, बट दे आर एक्चुअली फाइटिंग विद देयर स्ट्रेस, एंजाइटी, burnout. So why does this happen?
Yeah, so one thing I would like to clarify here कि लोगों को बहुत मिसकंसेप्शन है
Okay.
कि हम इस दुनिया के लिए बने हैं.
हम इस दुनिया के लिए बने हैं.
हाँ, but the truth is not that. This world has been made for you.
Okay. तो इससे क्या बदलता है
इससे ये बदलता है कि आप अपनी दुनिया खुद बनाते हो. You have that power.
Okay.
Yes. I'll give you an example. Maybe a person वो कोई पार्टी अटेंड कर रहा है and he is very new for that event, और उसके नए दोस्त बनते हैं. अब वो दोस्त कैसे बनेंगे? जो इंटॉक्सिकेशन में बिलीव करेगा वो वैसे ही बात करेगा और वैसे ही लोग अट्रैक्ट होंगे. इट्स एन एनर्जी. उसकी वैसे ही बनेगी. जो स्कॉलर्स हैं वो वैसे ही बात करेंगे, उसका सर्कल वैसा ही है. सो यू आर क्रिएटिंग योर वर्ल्ड. ठीक है ना, ये दुनिया आपके लिए बनी है, आप नहीं बने उस दुनिया के लिए, तो आप अपना वर्ल्ड खुद भी बना सकते हो.
ओके.
दिस इज द थिंग.
ओके. सो अच्छा, मनी, पैसा तो चाहिए लाइफ को जीने के लिए. सो कैन मनी सॉल्व आवर इनर इम्बैलेंस?
Money can give you comfort and luxury, but it couldn't guarantee you the inner peace, the inner balance.
बट मनी रहेगा तो विल फील मोर कंफर्टेबल.
So comfortable तो बाहर से ही होगा ना, अंदर से क्या करेंगे? See, I'll give you one live example. लोग घूमने जाते हैं, 3 महीने के बाद फिर घूमने जाते हैं, 4
Okay.
महीने के बाद फिर घूमने जाते हैं. भैया अभी घूमने क्यों जाते हो बाहर?
अच्छा, मैं भी घूमने जाता हूँ. आई ऑल्सो फील गुड. मैं अभी मुंबई आया हूँ और इसके बाद मुझे मसूरी जाना है, उसके बाद मुझे दिल्ली जाना है, उसके बाद मुझे बहुत जगह जाना है. आई लव इट.
या मैं भी घूमने जाती हूँ और मैं फुल्ली एंजॉय करती हूँ.
हाँ, तो पैसा नहीं होगा तो कैसे होगा फिर?
नहीं, आप सुनिए ना.
हाँ.
फिर जब मैं वापस आती हूँ मैं फुल्ली सेटिस्फाइड होती हूँ. कोई मुझे बोलेगा ना 3 महीने के बाद चल, मैं नहीं जाऊंगी. नो, आई डोंट वांट टू गो. आई एम फुल्ली सेटिस्फाइड. आई एम हैप्पी नाउ. आई वांट टू फोकस टुवर्ड्स माय वर्क, माय
अच्छा.
होम.
ओके.
Because inner peace is there. I don't have to search it out. This is my philosophy.
ओके.
Yeah.
अच्छा, मतलब आप बोलना चाहते हो कि इनर पीस डजंट डिपेंड ऑन मनी, इट डजंट
Yes.
डिपेंड ऑन बाहर जा रहा हूँ इनर पीस के लिए. इनर पीस आपको घर पे भी मिल सकती
मिल
है.
सकता है. लाइक आपके पास पैसा है, आप जा सकते हो. मेरे पास पैसा नहीं, मैं 3 महीने के बाद कैसे जाऊं? और मैं नहीं जाऊंगी तो मैं डिस्टर्ब रहूंगी, स्ट्रेस में रहूंगी. बट आई हैव इनर पीस, सो आई डोंट नीड. दैट इज माय पॉइंट. ऐसा नहीं कि जो
अच्छा.
घूमने जाता है वो गलत है. एवरीबॉडी इज
नहीं, मतलब घूमने ऐसा इसलिए घूमने मत जाओ कि यहाँ शांति नहीं है, वहाँ शांति होगी, इसलिए मत जाओ.
आई एम टायर्ड, आई वांट
Actually-
चेंज. नो.
एक्चुअली हाँ, दैट इज ट्रू.
Yes.
वो एक्चुअली सही बोला आपने. लेकिन एक बात बताइए ना, कैन एक्सेसिव एम्बिशन होना खराब है? मतलब
यस.
खराब है एक्सेसिव एम्बिशन? लोग को तो एम्बिशन होना चाहिए.
हाँ, होना चाहिए, लेकिन एक्सेस भी नहीं होना चाहिए. सर, आपके पास एक लिमिटेड एनर्जी होती है. एक डे के लिए आपके पास एक लिमिटेड एनर्जी है. एंड अ परफेक्ट लीडर ऑलवेज क्रिएट अ बैलेंस.
ओके.
अगर आपने 90% एनर्जी अपने एम्बिशन, अपने वर्क में दे दी, तो 10% एनर्जी आपका सोशल, साइकोलॉजिकल, फैमिली, वो 10% में हो जाएगा? नहीं होगा.
तो एम्बिशन नहीं रहेगा तो हम सक्सेसफुल कैसे होंगे?
So 50% energy give to your ambition, 50% energy distribute, divide. You will
Okay.
you will get each and everything, sir. Because when you have a self mastery, you become like a magnet. There is a song I'm listening these days. I don't chase, I attract.
तो ऐसा कोई इंसान है या ऐसा कोई एम्प्लॉय है या ऐसा कोई ट्रेनिंग है जो हमें मेंटल इम्बैलेंस से बैलेंस में लेके आ सकता है, हमें नॉन परफॉर्मर से परफॉर्मर बना सकता है?
Yes, why not? I conduct one activity in my session, that is connect your inside with outside world. कनेक्टिविटी नहीं है, दैट इज द बिगेस्ट. मुझे नहीं ठीक है, मुझे नहीं पता आप अंदर से कैसे, तो इट्स नॉट नीडेड. लेकिन आपको तो पता होना चाहिए कि मैं कैसा हूँ और मैं बाहर कैसे खुश रहूँगा. लोगों को यही नहीं पता होता है. सो आई कंडक्ट दिस एक्टिविटी,
Okay.
कनेक्ट योर इनसाइड विद द आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड. सो बहुत उनको फायदा.
Do you see some results?
Yes, I have seen. Because one of my participant, he was in a sales. वो कभी कार में से सेशन ले रहा है, कभी बेचारा होटल में से सेशन ले रहा है. And one day he used to say कि मैम, I'm not getting time to practice English communication, but definitely I will become a perfect person. That means he is agreeing कि मैं practice नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ तो शायद मेरा affect हो English part. But my personality will definitely grow.
Okay. So, what habit helps professional stay calm under pressure?
Self-mastery. The very much needed is the
आप
self-mastery.
हर क्वेश्चन के आंसर में एक ही ये 2 वर्ड बोल रहे हो, सेल्फ मास्टरी. सेल्फ मास्टरी, यही तो हमें चाहिए. ये कैसे करें ये बताइए. हाउ टू बी मास्टर.
But here within few minutes, I can't, I can't teach you. But
नहीं, बट कुछ नुस्खे दे दीजिए. मतलब इफ आई वांट टू बी अ सेल्फ मास्टर, मतलब क्या कर सकता है. मतलब एक इंसान जो अभी हमें पॉडकास्ट में देख रहा हो एंड ही वांट्स टू अचीव दिस सेल्फ मास्टरी, उसको क्या करना चाहिए स्टेप बाय स्टेप?
one basic thing I'll give, क्योंकि बहुत सारी practices होती हैं. एक टर्म के अंदर बहुत सारी practices हैं.
नहीं, आई गेट इट.
Yeah.
बट वो अकेला क्या कर सकता है?
The basic is a mindfulness.
माइंडफुलनेस.
Practice mindfulness.
वो कैसे होगा?
Mindfulness होता है कि अगर आप चाय पी रहे हो, you are having a tea, be उसका स्मेल फील कीजिए, उसका स्टीम स्किन पे फील करो, उसका
Okay.
टेस्ट टंग पे फील करो, वो कितना नीचे जा रहा है उसको फील करो. दिस इज माइंडफुलनेस. आप आउटसाइड कहीं कनेक्टेड नहीं हो.
सो इफ आई एम हैविंग टी, सो मेरा फोकस सिर्फ टी पे ही होना चाहिए.
यस.
And I should feel it, I should smell it, I can touch it, I can lick it, I can actually take a sip of it.
यस. दैट इज प्रैक्टिस.
But हम लोग क्या करते हैं नॉर्मली? हम लोग चाय पीते हैं, टीवी देखते हैं, और या तो चाय पीते हैं, मोबाइल देखते हैं. So it is not mindful.
No, this
Yeah.
is not mindfulness. So mindfulness means when you are having meal, you should be wholly present there. That is
तो
mindfulness.
लोग क्यों नहीं प्रेजेंट होते?
Distraction बहुत ज़्यादा है सर. There's a lot of distraction nowadays. Social media, your phone, TV, calls नहीं है तो reels हैं. अगर TV पे.
बट एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए भी तो देखना पड़ता है ना मैडम.
सर यही तो मेरा पॉइंट है कि if you have inner balance, self awareness, तो entertainment बाहर से नहीं चाहिए.
अच्छा, आप बोल रहे हो ये सब एंटरटेनमेंट, नेटफ्लिक्स, रील्स, ये सब से निकलना पड़ेगा हमें, आप बोल रहे हो?
निकलना पड़ेगा नहीं, अपने आप निकल जाओगे.
बट मैं क्यों निकलूं, यही तो मेरा क्वेश्चन है.
जब आप अपने आप में ही खुश रहोगे तो क्यों अपनी एनर्जी वहां 3 hours. If you are watching a Bollywood movie, 3 hours you are giving.
तो एंटरटेनमेंट जरूरी है मैडम. ये जो बॉलीवुड है, ये जो नेटफ्लिक्स है, दे आर मेकिंग सम गुड मूवीज फॉर अस. वी शुड, अगर हम नहीं देखेंगे तो वो इंडस्ट्री खत्म हो जाएगी.
कुछ गुड मूवीज बनती हैं, सारी नहीं बनती हैं. अब आई एम नॉट फॉन्ड ऑफ मूवीज.
इसीलिए हो सकता है आप, यू आर नॉट फॉन्ड ऑफ मूवीज, तो आप हमें नहीं बोल रहे हो.
तो सर मेरा भी तो एग्जांपल है ना कि मैं भी एक कॉमन ही हूँ, बट मैं टीवी नहीं देखती. मेरा एक नेटफ्लिक्स पे रहता है कि नहीं आप नेटफ्लिक्स रखो, क्योंकि उससे मुझे बहुत कुछ उसमें देखने को मिलता है. ओनली नेटफ्लिक्स, नथिंग एल्स. Because I have a self mastery inner. I have.
मतलब आप अपने साथ टाइम स्पेंड कर सकते हो.
Yes. Yeah. I love. My favorite place is my home.
ओके.
Especially my bedroom.
सो अगर कोई घर पे ना हो भी तो आप अपने साथ खुश रहते हो.
बहुत ज़्यादा.
बहुत ज्यादा.
बहुत ज़्यादा. मुझे शोर नॉइस पसंद नहीं है.
ओके.
Yes. So everybody can do this.
सो ये आपको हेल्प करता है काम बनने में. काम.
Calm and focused.
डू यू ऑल्सो टॉक टू योर सेल्फ?
Yes. अब अकेली हूँ, बोल सकती हूँ तो सर बात तो करूंगी ना. तो मैं सही बात करती हूँ.
मतलब एक्चुअली यू वांट टू से दैट इफ आई कैन टॉक टू माई सेल्फ, if I can actually manage myself, I can manage my own problems I can manage my own stress, I can manage my own pressure.
Yes. But it's nothing like that कि आपको सबकी ज़रूरत नहीं है. Yes, we need, but not always.
तो आप अपने को इम्पोर्टेंस देते हो. तो सेल्फ मास्टरी का एक मतलब ये भी है कि यू हैव टू बी सेल्फ रिलायंट.
Yes.
You rely on yourself.
Self, yes. But I have also best friends. In outside world, I have 2 or 3 friends from my childhood. But in my comfort zone, I have books as my best
You
friend.
have books.
Yes, I deal with
Good.
them. I converse. I find solution in them. So, ऐसा.
ये नॉर्मली बहुत रेयर है एक्चुअली. इट्स वेरी रेयर कि हम अपने से बात करें, अपने से टाइम स्पेंड करें. इट्स वेरी रेयर
और मैं चाहती हूँ कि सब ये स्किल्स सीखें.
एक्चुअली. मतलब इवन आई एम टेलिंग टू एवरीवन, दिस सेल्फ मास्टरी इज द नीड ऑफ द टाइम. यू नेवर नो जो आपके साथ आज हैं वो कल रहेंगे कि नहीं. राइट. यू डोंट नो दैट आपके जैसा दूसरा कोई सोचेगा कि नहीं. बट एक इंसान है जो आपके साथ हमेशा रहेगा, एक इंसान है जो आपका सुनेगा, एक इंसान है जो हमेशा आपको हेल्प करेगा, गाइड करेगा. दैट इज योर सेल्फ. Even Vivekananda ji said, if you have not talked to yourself in a whole day, you have wasted your day.
Very true.
ये कुछ लोग ये सेल्फ मास्टरी लोगों को पागल सोचते हैं.
I
मैं
always
बता रहा हूँ ये नहीं है. मैं भी ये करता हूँ. आई एक्चुअली डू इट. तो मैं इस चीज़ को फील कर पा रहा हूँ. बट मैं बता रहा हूँ एक नॉर्मल इंसान जो ये नहीं करता है वो यही सोचेगा कि ये दोनों अलग ही दुनिया के हैं.
यस. मैं मेरी क्लास में मुझे बोलते हैं कि मैम मैं कैसे अपना स्ट्रेस कम करूं. मेडिटेशन बहुत ट्रेंड में है. कही यस यू कैन डू मेडिटेशन. तो मैम नहीं होता है. आई कैन क्लोज माय आईज, आई कैन सिट क्वाइटली. मैंने कहा ओके देन आई विल टीच देम ओपन आइड मेडिटेशन.
ओपन आई मेडिटेशन.
यस आई टीच देम. ओपन आइड मेडिटेशन मींस
इट्स रिलेटेड टू माइंडफुलनेस से रिलेटेड होगा क्या ओपन आई मेडिटेशन?
वो क्या जो डिस्ट्रैक्शन है ना उससे वो आपको थोड़ा सा एक ट्रेन करता है आपके माइंड. क्योंकि आपका माइंड जो है वो कुछ समझता नहीं है, उसको सिर्फ कंडीशनिंग चाहिए. तो वो कंडीशनिंग करता है आपके माइंड को, फिर धीरे धीरे आप मेडिटेशन में चले जाते हैं.
ओके,
ऐसा है.
दैट्स अमेजिंग. एक वर्ड है लीडरशिप और एक वर्ड है सोलफुल लीडरशिप. दोनों में कुछ डिफरेंस है मैडम?
यस देयर इज अ डिफरेंस.
व्हाट इज दैट?
Soulful leadership, soulful leaders have their mind, heart, and head, mind, and heart in harmony.
हार्मनी.
Yes.
फिर से बोलिए.
Soulful leaders, head, heart, and mind.
हेड, हार्ट
And mind.
एंड माइंड इन हार्मनी.
Yes. It remains in harmony. These
तो कैसे पता चलेगा कि
harmony है.
हार्मनी है?
So head stands for logics and strategy.
ओके.
Heart stands for your emotions.
ओके.
Care for others. Mind stands for wisdom. When you are using your wisdom to balance your emotions, then automatically you will present good. You will take sound decisions.
ओके.
This is
मतलब आप बोल रहे हो कि लीडर भी बनना है और हमें काइंड भी बनना है.
so kindness. So what is the difference between boss and a leader? Earlier the term boss was in a trend. तो तब वैसा था. डोमिनेंस हमारी
देखो एक
society में
डोमिनेशन,
ज़्यादा
एक
थी.
टाइम पे डोमिनेशन
हाँ,
रहता
वो
था.
प्रिवेलिंग था हमारी सोसाइटी.
अभी वो नहीं चलता है. राइट. वो नहीं चलेगा.
नहीं चलेगा. बिकॉज एवरीबडी इज एजुकेटेड, एवरीबडी इज लर्न, दे नो देयर वैल्यूज. तो डोमिनेंस को एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेगा.
एक्चुअली.
सो काइंडनेस एंड लीडरशिप गोस टुगेदर. Because kindness is not something like be soft and avoid difficult conversations or difficult situation. No, kindness means to give space to others. Work with compassion. That is kindness.
आपको क्या लगता है सपोज एक लीडर जो काफी काइंड है उसके टीम मेंबर उसको सीरियसली लेंगे?
सर जो काइंडनेस जिसके पास होता है ना उसको बाउंड्रीज भी सेट करना पड़ता है.
अच्छा.
Yes.
ओके.
Because leaders has to be formed. Leader वो क्यों बना है? Because he has that capability to lead the team. और लीड करने के लिए आपके बाउंड्री सेट करना इज नेसेसरी. सो एक अथॉरिटी तो नहीं कहूँगी, एक फर्मनेस थोड़ा सा होना चाहिए.
एक्चुअली बहुत अच्छा पॉइंट आपने बोला कि एक बाउंड्री होना चाहिए कि दिस हैज टू हैपन, दिस
Yes.
should not happen.
Happen.
That's very good point. Can empathy become a leadership strength? Empathy.
Yes.
Strength मतलब दूसरों की प्रॉब्लम को फील करना स्ट्रेंथ हो सकता है.
Yes. I would like to tell you a story. मैं stories बहुत सुनाती हूँ.
एकदम हमें भी ऐसे स्टोरी सुननी भी है.
This is a story of a Chanakya.
Oh,
Yes. So one day he was passing by a market.
Yeah,
a
thorn.
thorn pricked his feet.
okay.
He removed it and saw around.
Mhm.
He found 5 steps away a thorny bush. एक कांटे से भरा प्लांट था वहाँ पे. He went to the shop, purchased buttermilk. He put that buttermilk on the plant.
Buttermilk.
Buttermilk जो होता है ना,
हाँ वो छाछ होता है जो, हाँ छाछ.
छाछ जो होता है वो, उसने उस प्लांट पे डाल दिया.
क्यों भाई?
His disciples were observing. They approached him and said कि आचार्य आपके पाँव में कांटा लगा और आपने बटरमिल्क प्लांट में डाल दिया, कुछ समझे नहीं. He said, the pain this thorn has caused me, I don't want others to face the same. I poured buttermilk on the plant. Buttermilk will attract the ants. Ants will destroy this plant from the roots.
इतना कौन सोचता है मैडम?
चाणक्य सोचते हैं सर, चाणक्य.
ओह माय गॉड.
So चाणक्य.
मुझे लगा तो मैं निकल गया. मैं क्यों सोचूं कि इसके बाद भी जो आएगा उसके पैर में लगेगा. ये तो बहुत बड़ी क्वालिटी है.
This is empathy.
दिस इज एम्पैथी. एक्चुअली दिस इज एम्पैथी. हम सबको लगता है, इवन मेरे को भी कभी कभी लगता है कि आई एम्पैथाइज विद पीपल, बट जो एग्जांपल आप बोल रहे हो ये तो बहुत बड़ा एग्जांपल है.
तो चाणक्य को आज तक कोई रिप्लेस नहीं कर पाया.
माय गॉड. मतलब मैं सोच रहा हूँ, बट वो चाणक्य उस टाइम में जो थे, आज इस टाइम पे ये एम्पैथी काम करता है.
करता है सर. Empathy helps you to win the heart. Trust. And trust makes you a leader.
एक्चुअली देखिए, मतलब हम लोग स्टार्टिंग से जो भी बात कर रहे हैं, एग्जीक्यूटिव प्रेजेंस, लीडरशिप, आई थिंक हर इंसान में एम्पैथी जरूरी है.
Yes. Not in the offices only. Leader, I tell you that leader is that who leads in the office, in the home.
एक्चुअली एक बात बताइए ना, आपने कृष्णा की भी बात कही थोड़ी देर पहले. What would Krishna do differently from modern leaders?
Actually, Krishna has done double roles in the Mahabharata for Arjun.
Okay.
Outwardly, he was a charioteer and Sarthi of Arjun. He was showing him the path and he was helping him in his action also. कि कहाँ से तुमको करना है, कहाँ से नहीं. He was. But internally, he was behaving like a mentor.
Mentor.
Yes, mentor for Arjun. Because there was a moment when जब उसने गांडीव छोड़ दिया था अर्जुन ने कि मैं नहीं करूँगा.
Right.
That was due to inner imbalance.
Yeah, okay.
Yes. So Krishna has given Gita Upadesh, make him internally balanced and then lead him to.
तो अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं कि ऐसा, आप महाभारत आप देखे होंगे, ऐसा कोई रोल जो इमोशनली बैलेंस था, ऐसा कौन कैरेक्टर हो सकता है आपके हिसाब से?
हाँ, युधिष्ठिर.
युधिष्ठिर.
He was not up to that extent, but he was.
And who was emotionally totally imbalanced?
Duryodhan.
दुर्योधन. Oh my God. Yes. मतलब एक्चुअली वो एकदम, वो उसमें एक अहंकार था, एक एरोगेंस थी.
Yes. Self-centered. He was self-centered, egoistic.
ऐसे एम्प्लॉइज भी हो सकते हैं.
Yes. In today's world, it could be.
मतलब मैं अगर महाभारत हम लोग सब देखें तो वो एक पूरा कॉर्पोरेट रूम दिखेगा वहां पे.
Obviously, sir. Everywhere. In our ancient Indian scriptures are filled with these things.
एक्चुअली.
Yes.
ओके, थोड़ा अब स्ट्रैटेजिक कम्युनिकेशन पे आते हैं. अब देखो, अब हमें तो स्ट्रैटेजी चाहिए. इफ आई वांट टू बी अ गुड कम्युनिकेटर, I have to talk to my boss, I have to talk to my junior also, I have to talk to my same level people also. So, आपको क्या लगता है, what is strategic communication and how it is different from normal communication?
So, in normal communication, we generally exchange our ideas, share our thoughts and information. But in strategic communication, we communicate with purpose.
Purpose.
Yes.
Okay. Can someone become influential without becoming a powerful communicator?
Because communication gives you that strength to become influential.
It's a power, right?
It's a power, yes. It empowers you.
Actually.
Because with the help of your communication, only you can convey the people who exactly you are, what you can do, what are your values, how you can benefit others. So influence तो इससे ही होगा. Nobody can be influential.
But there are many people who are very introvert. They speak very less. How will they influence people?
So related to communication skill, introvert and extrovert doesn't matter. If a person is speaking too much, doesn't sure he will give an impact.
Actually.
But
yeah.
introvert is speaking one sentence or two sentence, maybe he will bring that impact.
Actually.
So introvert, extrovert doesn't matter. The quality of your communication.
Again, the talk with purpose.
Yes.
Right?
It
Talk
matters.
with purpose matters.
Yes.
So, suppose I want to talk to my CEO, I want to talk to my senior people. How should we communicate with senior people?
First of all, one should do their homework.
Their homework.
They should be well prepared.
Okay.
If they are going to talking about decisions to their seniors, he should be capable enough to take stand for them. If he is approaching them for some problems, solution should be already ready with.
Okay. So I should not go to my boss being confused.
Yes.
कि boss मैं confused हूँ, क्या करूँ?
Yes. Yeah, I am expecting from my boss that he will resolve my problems and help me. No, because you are there to benefit the organization, to grow the organization.
Actually, और एक चीज मैं ऐड करूँगा यहाँ पे, even when I'm going to my boss, I should be very concise, very crisp about what I'm speaking. I should not take time because boss is busy. So मुझे काफी कम शब्दों में चीजों को बोलना है और ज़्यादा ऐसी बातें नहीं करनी है जो इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है.
Exactly.
Good. So what is the biggest mistake the managers do when they speak? आपको क्या लगता है?
They don't think much about the others' emotions and concern. Sometimes they try to impose the targets and the deadlines over them.
Is it the missing of empathy?
Yes, obviously. Instead of imposing, we can discuss, we can empower each other. So managers do this mistake and
Okay.
they lose the trust of their team.
True. देखिए हम लोग पहले से बात कर रहे हैं पावर ऑफ वर्ड्स हमें बोलना है, वी हैव टू बी वोकल. बट एक और चीज है जो जिसको हम लोग कहते हैं पावर ऑफ साइलेंस. कैन साइलेंस एक्चुअली बिकम अ लीडरशिप टूल?
Yes, sure. 100%.
मतलब साइलेंस कैसे हो सकता है?
So again, I will talk about my Indian ancient wisdom. There is a word written that is a vak.
Vak.
This is a Sanskrit word and it means speech.
स्पीच.
Yes. और पूरा टर्म है वाक शक्ति और देवी भी है वाक शक्ति की, सरस्वती माँ, जो अभी भी हमारे इंडिया में
वाक शक्ति की देवी है सरस्वती.
हाँ, आप उनकी पूजा करोगे तो आपको ये ऐसा मानना था. अभी भी हम फॉलो करते हैं घर में.
राइट.
There is also one Shakti, that is a Mauna Shakti.
मौन शक्ति.
Silence.
अच्छा हाँ, मौन, yes, silence.
Silence is a power. Again, it has been mentioned there. अब वो कैसे? I mostly give this practice to my students. I tell them you have to sit in a silence. You have to sit in a silence for 5 to 10 minutes. They used to do that activity. Then I asked them, कैसा silence? आप कैसे बैठे silence में? Then they share. Ma'am, there was pin drop silence in my room. And I have done meditation there. Do you think you were silent at that time? Yes, ma'am. There was no noise over there. But what about the noise from inside? Were you silenced from inside? That silence was about the room. The room was silent. You were not silent. That's it. So when you will learn how to be silent from inside, it will give you a power to listen carefully, to think before speak.
Actually,
And
think
it-
before speak.
Yes, and it will empower your speech and your output and everything.
It's a very tough thing to have that power of silence, right? It's a very big quality.
Yes.
So communication is a very big topic. हम सिर्फ communication बोलते हैं कि भाई इंग्लिश आता है कि नहीं. I think English is just a language.
Yeah.
But communication is a skill. Can communication accelerate career growth?
100% sure, sir. I talked about this before. Like आपकी capabilities लोगों को कैसे पता चलेंगी? When you will speak.
Actually.
And when you will speak, you will show your visibility, you will get the opportunities, and when you will grab the opportunities, obviously you will get the growth.
चलिए अब हम थोड़े एंड में आ रहे हैं हमारे पॉडकास्ट के. कैन यू गिव वन प्रैक्टिकल फ्रेमवर्क फॉर बिकमिंग इन्फ्लुएंशियल?
Yes, that is a tape.
टेप.
TAPE.
Okay, TAP. What is T?
T stands for trust.
Trust.
V stands for add value.
A stands for
Add value.
add values.
P stands for people skills.
People skill.
And E stands for emotional balance.
Emotional balance. That emotional intelligence also.
Yes.
So अगर ये तीन चीजों को हम रखें, again trust. That means I have to generate trust.
Yes.
Okay. Add value means
Add value means whatever goal I'm getting, I should add my insights. I should take initiatives.
I should give some value to my
Values.
organization. I should give
Yeah.
some value to my.
Work,
Work,
like
yeah.
I should take initiatives.
I get it.
should
I get it.
give my insights, my ideas to them. That is the add value.
And people skill.
Yes. A leader has a team. That means he has a people skills.
Okay. How to deal with my people.
Well, how to generate the more benefit.
Okay, and
From these
last
skills.
is emotional balance.
Yes.
That means अपने को पीस में रखना है, लिसन करना है, साइलेंस को फोकस करना है.
Focus करना है.
बट
और प्रोग्रेस पे हमें जो है
एक्चुअली
एम्फोसिस करना है.
ओके, बट कैन दीज ऑल बी लर्नड? क्या ये सीखा जा सकता है?
यस, सीखा जा सकता है. दीज आर स्किल्स.
दैट्स
कैन बी
अमेजिंग.
लर्नड.
तो चलिए एक रैपिड फायर राउंड करेंगे, थोड़ा फास्ट होगा और आपको वर्ड में आंसर करना है, नो एक्सप्लेनेशन. शाहरुख खान और अमिताभ बच्चन, हु हैज स्ट्रॉन्गर एग्जीक्यूटिव प्रेजेंस?
अमिताभ बच्चन.
Not Shah Rukh Khan. Maybe Shah Rukh Khan is not your favorite, ma'am.
Yeah, you're right. But Amitabh Bachchan is 80 above, but still he has a fame light.
इसीलिए तो कहते हैं कि जहां मैं खड़ा होता हूँ वहां पे लाइन वहीं से लगती है, राइट?
Yes.
एग्जीक्यूटिव प्रेजेंस. ओके. अच्छा, रणबीर कपूर और रणवीर सिंह, हु हैज स्ट्रॉन्गर पर्सनल ब्रांड?
Nowadays, Ranveer Singh.
रणवीर सिंह.
Yes.
पर्सनल ब्रांड. पर्सनल ब्रांड हम नॉर्मल एम्प्लॉइज भी रख सकते हैं, मतलब वी कैन क्रिएट आवर ओन.
Yes.
Name.
Once you will get to know about your qualities, your capabilities, you can.
ओके, सॉरी इसको एक्सप्लेनेशन करना ही नहीं था. ओके, लेट्स गो अहेड. MS धोनी और विराट कोहली, हु डेमोन्स्ट्रेट स्ट्रॉन्गर सोलफुल लीडरशिप?
MS Dhoni.
MS धोनी. ये मैं भी इस बारे में मतलब आई ऑल्सो एक्चुअली फील दिस. गौतम गंभीर और राहुल द्रविड़, हु वुड मेक अ बेटर कॉर्पोरेट लीडर?
Rahul Dravid.
व्हाई?
He is calm, quiet, and balanced.
बार मैं सोच रहा हूँ वाई नहीं पूछूंगा, बट वो वाई आ ही जाता है. चलिए, नरेंद्र मोदी और अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी, हु हैड स्ट्रॉन्गर कम्युनिकेशन इन्फ्लुएंस?
Both of them.
बोथ ऑफ देम.
They have different styles, but both of them.
एक्चुअली जहाँ अब मैं आपको चकमा देने वाला हूँ, आई विल मेक यू कंफ्यूज. चाणक्य और कृष्णा, whose leadership style would work better in today's corporate world?
Sir, both.
ये तो आपका आंसर बहुत बोल दिया ना, तो आपने ओके कोई बात नहीं. बट हाँ, एक्चुअली इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस और टेक्निकल इंटेलिजेंस.
If I'll talk about my belief, spiritual intelligence.
इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस.
Emotional intelligence. No, spiritual intelligence means.
अच्छा, यू आर टेलिंग स्पिरिचुअल इंटेलिजेंस.
Yes, that is not related to any religion. That is how much you know yourself. Or you are connected with some higher self.
माय गॉड, मतलब इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस टेक्निकल इंटेलिजेंस से भी ऊपर स्पिरिचुअल इंटेलिजेंस.
Yes.
A leader who is loved or the leader who is scared?
A leader who is loved.
Okay. So one message for every leader or manager, business owners, professional, जो भी आज हमारे इस podcast को देख रहे हैं, one message for them.
Success is not only from outside. It is all about what you have become inside.
Okay.
Work to enhance your competence, but also build your character.
Also build your character.
Yes. Leader leads with authenticity, compassion, and purpose. Leaders should have inner balance. They should work upon their self-mastery.
So friends, in this episode, we have discussed about inner balance. We discussed about executive presence. We discussed about soulful leadership. We talked about empathy. These all are outstanding qualities. If you really want to be a leader, जिससे लोग डरे नहीं, जिसे लोग पसंद करें, लीडर जो डराए नहीं, जो अपना प्रेजेंस को फील करा पाए. If you want to improve your executive presence, you should have a mentor. And if you really want to be mentored by Sakshi ma'am and her team, मैं साक्षी मैम के लिंक को डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगा. आप ज़रूर, if you actually want to improve your executive presence and your communication skill, you should definitely go through that training, because हर चीज़ हम अकेले नहीं कर सकते. अगर आपको हमारे पॉडकास्ट अच्छे लगते हैं, यू आर एक्चुअली लर्निंग लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, बिकॉज हमारा फोकस रहता है प्रोग्रेस के ऊपर. चाहे वो नौकरी हो, चाहे वो नौकरी में कैसे हम सक्सीड कर पाए, या उस नौकरी को पाने के लिए जो स्किल है उससे ले पाए. ये सारी चीज़ों को हम सीख सकते हैं. और जो भी कोचेस को हम अपने पॉडकास्ट में बुलाते हैं, वी एक्चुअली ट्राई कि एवरी गेस्ट दे शुड ऐड सम वैल्यू इन योर लाइफ. और मैं भी सीखता हूं यहाँ पे बैठे बैठे, राइट. दोस्तों, फिर मिलेंगे एक नए एपिसोड में, एक नए गेस्ट के साथ, एक नए क्वालिटीज के साथ, एक नए टॉपिक के साथ. तब तक के लिए थैंक यू सो मच.